Alright guys, here's a little update video on my computer build. I actually put everything in the case. As you can see, I got some Corsair individually sleeved power supply cables. There's a motherboard up and running. Power supply. Up front I have the AeroCool CoolTouch E fan controllers, two of them. I also put the OC panel in the front, right there. Kind of works out. Over here you can see the rat's nest of cables, but it's just temporary until I get all the radiators in and the pump in and all that stuff. So it's just temporary. I just wanted to get it in the case, make sure it ran. There's the back of the, I don't know if you can see that, the cutout on the CPU. Probably can't see it. Need better light. Anyways, here's the top of the case. There it is. Not too bad. Getting there.